Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. And as we head into the Friday close, stocks are mixed on a plethora of negative earning news from some companies, as well as a bit of a trade tariff spat between China and U.S. over arguing about rolling back tariffs and whether we agreed to do it or we didn't. But as we do on a Friday, we'll take a look at the weekly charts. And across the board, we had record highs for both the S&P 500, Dow, and even the Nasdaq. And we'll take a look at the S&P 500 first. Currently up about 0.6% on the week, with a chart analysis score plus 100, trading at 3,086.70 after hitting an all-time high of 3,097.77, almost hitting that 3,100 mark. Key level to watch moving forward will be 2,991.21. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dollar index making a comeback this week, up 1.2%, trading at 98.32 with a chart analysis score plus 75. So we're still waiting on a new green weekly trade triangle to trigger to indicate that we're in a long-term uptrend once again for the U.S. dollar. That level will come at 98.35 or this week's high. An open above that on Monday would send us that green weekly trade triangle. Moving along to the Dow, currently trading at 27,633.41, up 1% on the day with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend for the Dow. Currently trading close to the record levels set at 27,774.67 earlier in the week. Key level to watch would be 26,714.34. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the Dow Jones. Nasdaq currently trading at 8,454.62, up 0.8% on the week with a chart analysis score of plus 100, with green trade triangles across the board, hitting a high this week of 8,483.16. Key level to watch should be 8,078.35. A move below that level would give us a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Gold having a pretty bad week down this week, down 3.5% on the week right now, trading at 1,462.60. Its worst loss in quite a while, with a chart analysis score negative 70, with a red daily trade triangle in play, indicating that we are in a short-term downtrend for gold. Key level to watch would be 1,493. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for gold. On the flip side, crude oil is up about 1.9% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 55. Had been up as much as a little over 2% in earlier trading today. Currently trading at 57.25 with a green weekly and a red daily trade triangle in play. Key level to watch should be 57.35. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term long position for crude oil. And we'll wrap it up with Bitcoin coming under some fire as we end the week, down about 4.8% on the day and down about 6.6% on the week, trading below the 9,000 level at 8,764 with a chart analysis score negative 75, indicating that we're still in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Move below 7,293.55 would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long-term downtrend for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. I'll be back next week to give you some market updates.